Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the monthly time frame, we are kind of respecting the 78%. Like I've been saying, this could end up being a running correction, which means it would make a higher low, higher low, higher low. But it could also end up being an expanding correction, which means it would go down and take all these lows before it actually does end up continuing back up. So, anyways, let's take it down to the weekly. We are definitely bouncing out this 78% pretty significantly, but there really is no actual proof that this downtrend is over. We need to see price go up and break structure to really know that this move down is complete or not. Let's take it all the way down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the structure that I'm currently watching is right here. If we get a break in this structure, then I think there's a good chance that this whole move down is complete. If the whole move down is complete, then it's probably the completion of a wave C of a running pattern, like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it all the way down to the 4 hour time frame, the market has, especially the dollar pairs, have been in such a sideways market for going on 2 weeks now. Very, very, very sideways market. I guess in these type of conditions, you could just, buy and sell the highs and the lows, but I personally am definitely waiting for either a break or structure to the upside to start becoming a buyer long term, or I'm waiting for more sorting opportunities for the continuation of this downtrend. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, the trend is definitely down to me, and I am definitely still looking for shorts. And this to me does look like a possible three-way pattern up. I think with the fact that the trend is still down on all the higher time frames, that we should definitely still be looking for shorts in a downtrend. I would still expect to see more movement to the downside, maybe look something like this. Now, don't get me wrong, if price does go up and break structure, which it definitely could, if it goes up and takes out these previous highs way up here, then I definitely will become a buyer long term. But until that happens, I am still looking for sells at the peaks of all these moves right here for potentially the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.